Welcome to the Education Ferrari channel. Today we are here with a program conducted by the CPSE, the National Mission for Clean Ganga. Ministry of Jal Shakti has been celebrating Ganga Utsav every year on 4th November with an aim to establish a strong public river connect, especially with Ganga and its ecology. NMCG is organizing Ganga Utsav, a river festival from 1st to 3rd November 2021. So, students here are asked to participate in various competitions. Among that, there is poetry competition also. So, here I am with a poetry or the poem on Ganga, which is written by me. The title of the poem is A Story of Ganga. So, I'm going to recite the poem, and the picture you can see in front of you. So clear, so pure, and such a sanctity. Such a dreamland was my entity. Means the Ganga, the river Ganga, was so clear, so pure, without any pollution, and it was considered a sanctity, means a symbol of purity, a symbol of sacredness. Such a dreamland was my entity, means the scenery was like the dreamland. uh, is a beautiful place. Okay, now I held the power of healing all the mourns, and I washed away all negativities and heart thorns. The Ganga was having the power of healing all types of sadness, all types of negativities, and all types of griefs and anxieties was taken away by the river. The next sentence, but they took my agility and gave me serenity. Now I flow with drains as my tributaries. They took the river's speed and made it still. The next sentence, and fishes suffer, they lie dead among the debris. My sad story begins with factories, and the fishes are dead, and with all the other pollutants they also their carcass, their dead body also lies. And all the tributaries of the river, means all the branches of the rivers, are like drains. And all the story begins with the factory setting up. Next sentence, which pour their chemicals, houses direct their sewage and latrines. Oh, my children, you entitled me Mother Ganges. There's nothing left except litters on my hinges. You hindered my flow, you snatched my sceneries off the bank. You cut the trees, you turned the blue sky grey with the smoke. So the factories pour all their waste materials, which includes many chemicals, many harmful chemicals, and the sewage from the houses are directly poured into the river without any treatment. And the river is telling us her children, as because we have given the title of mother to the river Ganga, but now there is nothing left except my hinges. Hinges means the screws which is tied to the door. It means the door itself is getting worn and torn out, but what is remaining is just the hinges which keeps the door still standing. We hindered the flow of the river, like we built certain structures on the way of the river, and because of that its direction has got changed. And the sceneries which were present on the banks of the rivers were also destroyed. and the trees were cut. And because of the pollution, now the sky, which looked blue earlier, now it has become gray. The next and the last stanza: Mother is begging in front of her children, return my sanctity, return my gay freedom. Now it is a very emotional situation where the mother is begging in front of her children. Usually children beg before the mother for things which they want, but here the situation is completely opposite. The river is asking us to return its earlier position, and it is asking its happiness, the freedom to flow in whichever direction it likes. So, I hope you like this poem, and you can take ideas from my poem, which will be helping you in these competitions. So, thank you. So, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.